some of you like saying that, hey, I'm broke, life is hard. Hey, I'm broke, life is unfair. Hey, I'm broke, I come from a poor background. Hey, I'm broke, I have no uncle to support me. What the fuck are you talking about? Let me tell you something. The year started in January. In January, you were online. In February, you were online. In March, you were online. Now this is April, you are still online. All this time, the first quarter of the year, you were busy posting memes, you were busy watching porn, you are busy chatting with girls aimlessly, you are distracted. So let me tell you, you are not broke because life is hard. You are not broke because life is unfair. You are not broke because you come from a poor background. Let me tell you something. So many of you, you are still broke because you don't know how to make money online. You're online all the time, but you're just there posting memes, consuming useless data on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. That very same phone that you use for watching useless things, for consuming useless data, that is the same phone that someone younger than you is using to print more than $1,000 online. Each and every single day, there is someone making $5, $10, $20, $70 each and every single day. But for you, you're there busy posting memes. Then at the end of the day, you complain that, I'm broke, life is hard. Listen to me. If you are tired of being broke, this is April. If you are tired of being broke, next month on the 15th of May at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., I will be showing you how you can make your first $1,000 online inside Obin Academy together with 78 other students from across the globe. So if you want to be part of this workshop, if you want to attend this workshop, leave a comment under this video, count me in, and I will respond to you instantly. You understand? If you are tired of being broke, if you are tired of begging people for money, if you are tired of calling your friends for urgent 20k, urgent 2k, urgent 50k, that word urgent, listen to me. On the 15th of May at 10 a.m. Ugandan time, East African time, I will be showing you people how to make your first $1,000 online. If you have never made any money online, I will be introducing a new online business module that can make you more than $1,000 online. So if you're interested in learning how to make your first $1,000 online, leave a comment under this video, Coach Obin, count me in, or send me a direct message inside my inbox and I will respond to you instantly. This is April. Don't be left behind. Stop posting memes and start printing money. This is the only opportunity you have. And this opportunity, I'm giving it only to 100 people. I already have 78 people inside Obin Academy. So don't be left behind. Don't be left behind. You understand?